Hi there, students. What's the difference between try to do something and try doing something? Now, this is a subject that I've tried to explain many times, but I haven't done it successfully, or I haven't done it to my satisfaction. And I've tried explaining this concept in many different ways. Okay, so try to. This means you are attempting to do something. Try plus ing, you do it and you want to see the results. Now that sounds very easy, but there are problems with this. And the problems come from the nature of the verb that you are using with try. There are things that we can all do, and it's obvious we can do them. So, for example, we can all stand up, or nearly all of us. Yeah. So if I say try to stand up, then I'm asking, do you have the ability to stand up? I tried to stand up, but I couldn't. The try to is with this, but I couldn't. Whereas I tried standing up, I stood up to see what the results would be. So I knew I could do it. Now with verbs where it's easy to do, then the difference between these two is very clear. We know you can do it. You are, or we think you can do it. So if you use try to, you call into question whether you can do it or not. I tried to breathe, but I've been winded. I couldn't. I tried breathing. I could breathe, obviously, as everyone can to be alive, and I wanted to see the results. Now when we use a verb of something that's very difficult to learn, so he tried to learn advanced English in 1 week. Well, I think this is very, very difficult. I think it's impossible. Yeah, and for verbs of things where it's very probable that we are going to fail, then try to is the meaning you want, but you can also use try plus ing with the same meaning. So he tried learning English, advanced English, in 1 week. He tried to learn English in 1 week, and the meaning becomes the same. Okay, so that's the difference. It depends if the verb is something that we know you can do, we assume naturally we can do, or something that really it's doubtful if we can do it. He tried to jump 4 meters into the air. It's pretty absurd. He tried jumping 4 meters into the air. He attempted to do it. Yeah? Okay? And that's the idea of both of them. He attempted to do it. Because jumping 4 meters in the air, 5 meters in the air, this, well, I would be amazed if somebody did it. Whereas if it's something that's easy and obvious that we can do, then we clearly see the difference between try to do, attempt to do it, or try doing, do it and see what the results are. Because if it's obvious, you don't know if you can do it, so you're not doing it to see the results, you're just trying to see if you can do it. Yeah, you're not trying different methods. So another example, if you ask me, for example, how do I resolve this problem? And I can say, well, try speaking quickly. Try enunciating. Try using more adjectives. Try analysing the sentence. These are all things that I know you can do. yeah, but maybe you have a problem and you always translate. when you are speaking English. You always translate from your own language. So I would then say, try not to speak, not to translate. So try not to do it. Yeah, don't do it. Whereas if I say try not translating, I'm saying I know you can do this without translating. So test it and see the results. Okay, so when somebody's asking for advice, you normally say, try doing this, try going there, try buying this product. Yeah? And if I say try to buy this product, then I'm suggesting, I'm calling into question the fact of whether you can do it or not, because it's very difficult and you may, I think you may well fail. Okay, so try to do. Yeah, this is relevant with things that you can do easily. Yeah, try doing, test and see the results. But with things that are difficult to do, then try to do and try doing, they come together. Okay, and that's the difference between try plus ing and try plus infinitive. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Try to plus or try plus ing.